Hey, what's up, guys? Bueller here again, and I'm going over the stock watch list review for March 19th. And today I put Apple, BA, Beyond, McDonald's, which I don't normally add them a whole lot for day trading, but I'm glad I did today, and SPY, which that one I've been adding for the past 2 weeks because it's just the perfect one to get on. So let's start with Apple. Apple here, I put my break above at 246.10, and I put the pre-market low as the break below. But a good entry, could have played here, could have played here, could have played off of the support. I probably would have waited to the patient play and waited for it to find support on this line, because then you know they have control of it. And then it even made higher highs as it was going up, so that would have been really good. Setting your stop loss, of course, every time you entered. But if you entered on some scalps, this candle here actually perfect. As you see at the bottom of my line at the screen, you can see volume was rising, so this would have been right here, would have been a great entry in the morning. 8:51, that would have been a good time. About 21 minutes into the market. I definitely wouldn't have been trying to be super versatile on my levels for the past few weeks just because of all the craziness, but another good entry. Volume picked up here, right at the bottom of that candle, or even you could have waited and been even more passive and waited till here. So Apple had a lot of good chances actually today. BA was the next one. Got some candles here. Pattern. All right, BA 101 and 94. Okay, 101 and 94. So this one kind of range traded for the most part today. I set a good range on this just because the break below is super crucial right now because we're already so low. So I'm trying to set really smart levels here. This was too weak. That was very weak. I would not have been playing in that. The wicks are the only thing that really went above all the way. No volume was rising each time. I was checking this out earlier. I was watching BA a lot today. I tried shorting it on one of these rises. I was trying to be a little too aggressive. I was trying to play off of this, and I can't remember. Was it this one? I tried to bag hold here, I think, and I thought I was going to be able to hold through the continuation, but it popped back up and did a double top on me, but I cut before I was really down at all. I think I lost like 13 bucks, so that's totally okay. Beyond. The patient play pays. That's crazy. So here on Beyond, definitely wouldn't have been jumping in too early. That's why I keep telling everyone, like, these past few weeks, like, the patient play really does pay. Like, yeah, you could have tried to scalping this, and you could have made a little bit, but it's not too sure of a movement. You know, you don't want to play indecisive trading. You want to play for sure movements. So the good entry, honestly, any of these hills were good entries, but the strongest one was clearly this one as volume actually picked up. There's kind of like some voids here, some weak volume. You got some actual movement here. I would have done it honestly on the very first candle I saw break above because there's not a volume stick that high at all. I definitely would have been in on that candle. I didn't play Beyond today, but this is definitely this is probably my favorite stock. 55.72 would have been a good entry, good exit. I mean, that would have been a good exit. You didn't really need to bag hold the rest of the day, but setting your stop loss here, you would have caught the entire movement till the end of the day. And then the next one was MCD, and then we have SPY. So I set some really nice levels on McDonald's today because I was already in a very long position on this the other day, so I was kind of already keeping an eye on it to re-enter. But I have a short-term put right now. I got it kind of like up here. I think I'm up $48, about right here, so I got it somewhere up here. But good entry. Good entry would have been. Let's see when volume rises. Yeah, definitely right there. I would have waited for this one to wait. Oh no, that is that one. I would have got in on the bottom of this one after this little break above and continuation. I would have definitely got in on this candle. 137 about. Again, setting your stop loss here. You had that continuation. Kind of flagged up in the continuation, then it pushed up. That's like a $10 move. That's really good. It's really good on McDonald's. And then the last one we had was SPY, which I've been setting this one on the list all week, all last week. I'm probably going to keep doing it because the levels are getting really fun. Again, just like Beyond, there's no need to be jumping into that early move in the morning. Just wait. Be a little patient. I mean, you honestly could have been super aggressive and got in as it broke above this level, seeing that volume was picking up, but good entry, good entry. Made higher highs right here, so good entry. See volume pick up. Volume. See, I don't have any indicators on my screen. Volume picks up here. Getting in between the transition of those two candles, that would have been a really good entrance. about 240 flat, which is above my mark. Next red candle, you would have been at 243-ish. So, I mean, that's a good move there for a scalp. Good move there for a scalp as volume picks up. Bounced twice. Did a W on the support. Using the break above as a support. That is very strong confirmation. Just like the opposite of the rejection. It went down. It tested a support and push. That's just as strong as a resistance turning support. So that's really good. Actually, that is what happened. Small resistance there. Kind of had a battle here. Finally took it over here. See, the patient play had the strongest confirmation. Yeah, that was a good rise, but this was the strongest confirmation. Just gotta wait for those things. Getting in about right there, I mean, that's a hell of a lot more of a move. And you made higher highs that entire time. You flagged a couple times, but it kept pushing up. Setting your stop loss too. That would have been a good move. So I think that was about 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 wins. Either way, I mean, I'm not trying to make it a win or loss anymore like I did on the old results. I just want to show everybody what they could have done, what they could have avoided, why. I just want to give all the aspects of the list and how to play it the best I can. So if you liked the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back on the next one. Thank you.